This episode is brought to you by Seed's DSO1 Daily Symbiotic, a 2-in-1 probiotic and prebiotic formulated with 24 clinically and scientifically studied strains to support healthy regularity and your gut, immune, and skin health. Optimize your gut health. Visit seed.com/Spotify with code Spotify for 30% off your first month of Seed's DSO1 Daily Symbiotic. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.
Medical notes this week. Is music the new cancer treatment? The University of Michigan has pioneered a new technique called histotripsy that uses ultrasound waves to destroy cancerous tumors. It creates tiny bubbles inside the mass that cause the tumor to break apart. The FDA recently approved this non-invasive method to treat liver cancer, meaning that patients have an alternative to radiation or chemotherapy. New research reveals the key to a healthy pregnancy. A mouse study in the journal JCI Insights shows that a protein called CXCR4 is crucial to bringing bone marrow cells to the uterus. When scientists removed this protein from female mice, they saw more miscarriages and smaller litter sizes. The researchers hope this discovery leads to more effective treatments for reproductive conditions like preeclampsia and recurrent pregnancy loss. A new hope for repairing nerve damage. Magnoelectric materials have long been studied as a treatment for severed nerves, but neurons aren't always able to understand the shape and frequency of the electric signals the material gives off. Fortunately, new research published in Nature Materials has solved this communication issue. The device is less than 200 nanometers thick, and for comparison, a sheet of paper has a thickness of 100,000 nanometers. The researchers were able to use this material to restore function of a severed nerve in rats. And finally, are cigarettes popular again? Policymakers have started banning flavored electronic cigarettes in an effort to reduce nicotine consumption. However, this strategy has backfired. A study published in Social Science Research Network suggests that this ban has increased the sales of traditional cigarettes. The research shows that for every 0.7 milliliters of vape juice that's not sold, 15 traditional cigarettes are bought instead. And that's Medical Notes this week. I'm Shel Lustig.
It's time to get your checking account to zero with free checking from PenFed. That's zero ATM fees, zero balance requirements, and zero time spent waiting for your paycheck to direct deposit because you can receive it up to 2 days early. Open your account with just $25 and see how big zero can be. Apply online today at PenFed.org/free checking. Early direct deposit eligibility may vary between pay periods and timing of payer's funding. To receive any advertised product, you must become a member of PenFed, insured by NCUA.